The images that I want you to add in the posts are like this one. All right. And for you, the place that you need to go and get the images is this website. It's called Unsplash. This is where you go and get the images. All you have to do is, if you're writing about an article about weight loss, just type your keyword in here and search, and it's going to bring in along a lot of images that you can use. All these images that you're seeing right here, these are free to use. So this is where you get your images. Make sure you don't get your images anywhere else apart from this website. It's called Unsplash, as you can see here. Just go to unsplash.com and you can download the images and edit them as you want them to be. Then secondly, when you add images into your posts, don't forget to choose an image, a feature image, which goes on the display of the blog. This is where you add your feature image. So you scroll down to the bottom of the post, and you can see here it says feature image. If I click here, it takes me back to the media library folder. So if I choose this image as my feature image, I select it, I add my alt text in here, which is the actual keyword for the post that you're writing for, the one that you use to save the image for, and I'll hit this feature. I'll set this feature image, and it appears here. Once this is done, I'll scroll up and save it as a draft. Now, if I go to this post here, as you can see, there's only this image inside here. There's nothing else. And if I refresh it, now you can see at the top of the post we have this image. That's the feature image, the image that appears on top of the post. You have to actually put it in here. It says feature image. So I want feature images here, and I also want images inside the post. So at least the minimum 3 images on a post. The other thing is when you want to, let's say, let me just edit this. I'll click this and edit it. I'll realign it to the left hand side and update it. Alright, it's on the left hand side, but let's say if you still wanted, you can see the image is nicely aligned and the text is wrapping around, which is nice and good. But let's say you wanted this image to be slightly smaller. All you have to do is just hover on the corners there, click and hold, and just resize it a little bit, and then it shrinks down the image. You can shrink it to a smaller size as you want, and save your work. That's how you do it. Alright, now the last thing that I want is usually my articles, the way how I lay them out usually is I have a smaller image here. Alright, and my second image is going to come from canva.com. So go to canva.com. Once you get to canva.com, you sign up, you open your own account. Once you open your own account, it's a free service, it doesn't cost you anything. and then when you log in, it's going to take you to this page. This is your dashboard. This is my dashboard, but this would have been your dashboard. Now, once you are in here, what you need to do is choose this. It's called Pinterest graphic. So if I hit that one, it opens a new page. This is where now I get to design my image that I want to add on the third or second paragraph, just after second paragraph of my post. Now, to create that image in here is not difficult. All you have to do is there are two ways. You can either use a template, which means you have to select a free template. Now, some of these templates have, if you are using a free version, you have some of them for free, others you have to pay for them. But in my case, I create my own. So what you need to do is you've opened the document. You come here and you choose your image. Just select it, resize it how you want, however you want. In this case, mine, I want it like that. Then you come back here, you hit text, and you come here, you select header, you click that one, and as you can see, it appears right here. All right. So let's say if it's about eating well, for a lean and athletic body. All right, I've written my text, but as you can see, the text is not really sort of like the color and the mix and everything is not looking nice. So there are two things that I can do with this. I can either go back in here and hit elements, I select shapes, I pick the first one, and I lay it over the text. All right, and you just leave it at yellow, but I am going to click arrange. So I'm going to arrange it and now send it back. All right, I've sent it back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this smaller button here, transparency, and I click that one and I reduce it. You know, I reduce it to somewhere around there. All right, somewhere around there. Once that is done, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change my I'm going to change my background to black. All right, and then now I'm going to select this text now. I'm going to change the color. If I hit yellow, all right, just swap, you can see looks slightly different. If I'm not happy with the color, I can go back and change it to white, and there you have it. There you have it. So I have this image. All right, once it's done like this, I'm going to come up here and hit download. Now download the image. I choose my paragraph, I hit enter. Alright, now I hit upload and I hit select image, and now I will go to my folder. I'll find my image and I'll upload it. I don't forget the alt text. Alright, and I scroll down to make sure that I've selected the required size. That's it. Now when you go back to the post, you can see that there is no text on the sides and things like that. That's what I want you to do on each and every post. So remember, you get your images from Canva, from Unsplash. Make sure the image you get from here on this website, you search it by the keyword that you are targeting. So if it's weight loss, you type weight loss. If it's the yeast infection, you go for yeast infection. Whatever whatever keyword you're using for. Or if you're looking for beautiful, just type here. And you have images. Any keyword that you search in there, you see that there's more than enough there. There's more than enough for you to use. And then you go to Canva, you hit Pinterest, the new tab opens, and then you can go ahead. As you can see, these are some of my posts, the ones that I've just created for my projects. I create quite a lot, so there's quite a lot. That's it. All right.